Docile Pro World, a journey to be technical.
Disclaimer: this video had been made only for informational and educational purpose.
So now open the Kali Linux. Here is my terminal. Now first command is sudo apt-get install Figlet. Now run Figlet space. I'm entering my channel name as Sahil Pro World. Here you can see Sahil Pro World show in the text in the terminal. So it's best tool for show the text in the terminal. Our next tool is cowsay. Now it install. Run the cowsay. Type cowsay space my channel name Sahil Pro World. Here you can see picture shows like cow says Sahil Pro World. Here cow says Sahil Pro World is here. Now the next funny tool is cmatrix. It is animated matrix. It's a good tool. Now run this cmatrix, enter. It show random matrix in the animated way. Good to see. Now clear this. Our next tool is sudo apt-get install cowthink. So now cowthink space s. So its double dot shows like cowthink this in mind. Our last tool is sudo apt-get install sl. Now run this tool sl, enter. Now you can see animated train is running in the terminal. Thank you.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Like, share and comment below.